Uba Cyril V. Darlong Dingdo, Officer IAS, ubari pet yakatanat kampo yeng sarkar jalla kumu Commissioner but Secretary, ulawan banjungo yaki Khynnah na jalla Meghalaya ki basha sumar Hamandia Institute of Medical Science, Hamandia District jalla Karnataka, haki kindiat sngi wala dam. Ulapan pau, bakaladon ke Jingthmu ban Wanlam no yaki teki Khynnah tangba, haban boot yaki kendon ain baper. Habakran sekilat pathai kubor haga janmiet jongka arfu waitrik ulbear arja arpusan uba Cyril V Dingdo ulaong. Bayamenta ki arfu arngot ki Khynnah ki basha sumar ki la kham khlan badan satang uwe ubadang sha sumar ha ICU keteka institute. Kumban syukdo ba arfu sawngot ki Khynnah na Meghalaya ki la kampang hadin bagi la bam ki jingbam basa bala Aisha hostel bagi sa jongka residential school ko bala tip kom ka Gokul Educational Institution hati Gagepura Mandia District ke jala Karnataka yaki bala wanra na ka jingkhawai le niam holi minha ka khat sautari ulbear arja arpusan ha ka ba kham hadin arngot ki la khlat no. Shushu ulaang bayaki Office Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District but West Khasi Hills District labatha ban siu bailot ksan bamar lai lak tingka shaki longyeng ukre lang khong tani nalin dampen orsala civil subdivision but unami bantay marway na so paru nong ston CNRD block ki arngot ki Khynnah ki balaklat no. Hakawai pat kalyang uba Cyril ulaang bakidan reungut ki briu ki bakentop ya ki bapanyat school ki bapanyat ya ka hostel ka batrekam klembut kendon la kem da ki pulit. Ulaang bakaan hi kan trey yala kakam but hapan boot wat la kadon ke Jingthmu ban Wanlam no yakini ki Khynnah sa Meghalaya.
So I had gone to Karnataka, to Mandya, on the directions of Honorable Chief Minister and the government to go and inspect what is happening with regard to the children who suffered food poisoning, 22 children who are from the state of Meghalaya. So I had gone to the Mandya Institute of Medical Sciences, which is the hospital in which all these children have been kept for treatment. I was accompanied by the Deputy Commissioner of the Mandya district and the SP and other officers from the Social Welfare Department there, and of course the two officers from the Education Department who were deputed for this very purpose. And like I've already briefed the press then, and I think the report is already out, the children are doing well, they are improving their condition, all are stable. A few were in the ICU, 3 were in the ICU, I think now it's only 1. So the others are in the general ward. As of today, I am in touch with the Deputy Commissioner of Mandya District. The update is that the children are still in the hospital. They are being taken care of by the hospital authorities. And the Deputy Commissioner has also deputed officers from the Child Welfare Committee of the district of Mandya to regularly be in touch with the hospital authorities so that anything that is required for the children is taken care of. And we have also written to the Deputy Commissioners here to release 3 lakh rupees as ex gratia as announced by the Honorable Chief Minister for the 2 boys who have unfortunately died. The families will get the 3 lakhs immediately. The Deputy Commissioners have been instructed today to release this amount. Update is that the District Administration and the police have already lodged an FIR. Certain number of persons who have been running the school and the hostel have been arrested. And therefore, the inquiry will follow as per the procedure of law. The FIR is already registered. The law will take its own course. So the issue is that these boys were staying in the hostel in the school. The hostel itself was illegal as per the initial reports, which is under inquiry now. And they were given food, the dinner on the Friday, which was the day Holi was being celebrated, from a restaurant that was taken from that particular restaurant on that day. And those who consumed food from that restaurant also fell ill, including the students of that hostel, including the students from the state of Meghalaya who consumed that food. That is the history. In fact, the cook and the hotel owner also of that restaurant were arrested, and as per the information given by the DC in that meeting, those food samples also were sent for forensics and for the food safety aspect to be checked. So the students are under the care of the hospital as of now, and the DC is taking care of the entire situation. I had a word with him today itself. Now these students are all in different classes. Some are in class 5, some are in class 8, etc. So they are at a crucial juncture where they have to take certain exams. Otherwise, they will lose that particular year. So the DC is trying to arrange, how these students can take their annual exams. I think that's what they have expressed also. And definitely, the district administration, etc., has reached out to the parents of this. And after all the legal procedures are followed by the district administration through the process of law, where the Child Welfare Committee of that district will be involved, the plan is to bring them back to the state of Meghalaya. So 6 persons have been arrested. This is under section 286 and 106 of the Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita at Malavali Rural Police Station in Mandya district. The person who had run the hotel, including the person who was responsible for the cooking of the food items, because that food poisoning originated from there, including the school staff who were running that hostel illegally. Yeah.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.